Black drum are not exactly a prized species here in South Texas, but they are a first for many young anglers. Hundreds of pier anglers rally every year in hopes to intercept one of these big uglies. But what happens after? Where do they go after their big run? On this episode of Next Level Fishing, we give chase up and down the Laguna Madre in hopes to intercept a big black drum. And the rule hasn't changed. Lures only.
Certain months, that's what everybody's targeting. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Piers, banks. They bust out the rod holders, bust out the barbecue pits, bust out the ice chest, and wait. I felt him crunching. That might have been the same one that was over there. Man, Chris, look up. See it? That's something, dude.
No, it's not supposed to be a species that we're struggling with here, but we are. We have missed all of our big drum opportunities, you know, and it's tough. Like, everybody's catching drum and we're not. And so in a sense, you know, this becomes the beauty of this particular hunt, you know. I mean, here we are chasing fish that we know, and it reminds us that nothing is guaranteed.
Got a big drum on. Big.
But let's be real. We wouldn't be telling this story if there was no happy ending. Yeah, this looks good, dude. I mean, if they are going to run up like they were the other day, we would probably be able to see them kind of come up against these banks. You know, right now the water clarity isn't great, but it's good enough, and I'm more than sure we can pick off some of these black drum, man, if they start moving in. So shrimp boats are coming in. Maybe something will tail behind them. We'll see how everything rolls out. I'm gonna kind of jump over here though to see if we can maybe see some action. I think we see some stuff over here. Looks like they may be running more towards on this side, but I could be wrong. We'll see. It looks like we actually have seen a little bit of what we think might be some drum activity. Actually, it's probably best if I stand over here. Don't want to bump into you. So we're gonna hurry up and load up on our kayaks and head that way. And hopefully, it's been a while, so hopefully we can get on it. Let's get moving. Finally, we've got a school of black drum that have sort of appeared. It is either black drum or a school redfish. We're gonna have to get a little bit closer to find out. Big bodies for sure. You have glasses on? Yeah. You see that dirt? You see some brown dirt? That's where they're all at right now. I thought they moved, but I guess not. Yeah, baby. All right. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Going for a ride, baby. I'm more than sure that this is a good hook set, so this is it. We just got to be patient. Big black drum. It's my second one to be able to do that. We just gotta tire her out. On the bottom. We're hooked up, and it looks like we got a pretty good hook set, and we're gonna be going on a nice sleigh ride. Let's see if all that hard work paid off, and we get ourselves a nice bull. And she's putting the tug on us, taking us away from the rocks, bringing us back in, taking us back out. A couple of 180s and 360s, and this is fun. This is fun, man. Hopefully we can land this bad girl. the next episode of Next Level Fishing, our king mackerel hunt comes to an end.
We knew that the following day could potentially hold some pretty awesome fishing, especially in a very calm environment.